Mastering requests and offers in English conversation. Hello everyone. Welcome back to our English learning journey. Today we will delve into a very important topic in conversational English: making requests and offers. It is a vital part of daily conversations, and mastering it will help you communicate more smoothly and politely. The first part of our lesson is about making requests. In English, we have many ways to ask someone to do something for us, and the choice of words can greatly affect the tone and politeness of our request. Let's look at some common ways to make requests. Informal requests. For casual, everyday conversations with friends or family, we often use informal language. Here are some phrases you might use. 1. Can you? Example: can you pass me the salt? 2. Could you? Example: could you open the window? 3. Would you mind? Example: would you mind turning down the music? Formal requests. In more formal or professional settings, you might need to use different language to sound polite. Here are some common formal request phrases. 1. I was wondering if you could. Example: I was wondering if you could send me the report by Friday. 2. Would it be possible for you to? Example: would it be possible for you to arrange a meeting next week? 3. Could I possibly ask you to? Example: could I possibly ask you to check this document for me? The second part of our lesson is about making offers. This is when you want to suggest doing something for someone else. Like requests, the way we phrase an offer can vary depending on the situation. Informal offers. In informal settings, you can use phrases like these to make an offer. 1. Do you want me to? Example: do you want me to help you with your luggage? 2. I can. Example: I can pick you up from the airport. Formal offers. For more formal situations, your language might be a bit more complex. Here are a few examples. 1. I would be happy to. Example: I would be happy to review your presentation. 2. May I offer to? Example: may I offer to arrange a taxi for you? Well, that wraps up our lesson on making requests and offers in conversational English. Remember, the right choice of words can make your speech sound more polite and natural. Practice these phrases, and soon they'll become a part of your everyday English. We hope this lesson has been helpful. See you next time.